Alright, so let's get started with the problem for this episode, and which is this, the problem number 21, okay? And it is calculating the sum of prime numbers in a range. I think so this is the third time we are mentioning the prime number concept, okay, in this series. So yeah, first time जो था it was in episode number 2 जहाँ हमने dedicatedly सीखा कि एक prime numbers, like obviously prime number क्या होता है and prime numbers को कैसे कैलकुलेट करते, okay? And then it was it was obviously the problem number 19th, okay, in the 19th episode, जिसमें मैंने in little bit more detail मैंने explain किया the prime numbers, and we have calculated the prime numbers within a range, okay? Now it's time to calculate the sum of those prime numbers that are coming in that particular range. So yeah, like honestly speaking, we are going to we should obviously we'll code it, okay, but we should reuse the logic, some little bit logic from the previous like our coded solution, okay? Yeah, it's fair, okay? So yeah, it was the range prime number, okay, it was episode number 19th, and बस इसमें से हमें ये function बस हमें मिल जाए. So yeah, we can obviously copy this function, because this function say we are determining that whether we are returning true or false, that whether that particular number is a prime number or not. So let's get started with the code bit of part, okay? Yeah, like obviously the boilerplate code, obviously return 0, okay? Now the thing is, first of all, obviously जहाँ range आया वहाँ पर हमें starting point and ending point हमें calculate करना पड़ेगा. So yeah, यूज़र से मतलब यूज़र से इनपुट लेना पड़ेगा हमें, ओके? जस्ट लॉन्ग या द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड द एंडिंग पॉइंट, द रेंज वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट बेसिकली. नाउ वी हैव द रेंज. या जस्ट अ क्विक वैलिडेशन यहाँ पर लगा देते हैं हम कि लाइक द ऑब्वियसली द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट शुड नॉट, लाइक इफ इट इज़ ग्रेटर दैन or equal to the ending point, just immediately stop the code, basically return just return exit out from the code, okay? And just simply say okay, invalid code, okay, or like basically invalid range. Yeah, okay, so this is it. But if it is not, like if the ranges are properly valid, then what? यहाँ पर अब आता है sum का concept. So now it's pretty simple, okay? Obviously if you remember, we have copied this function from here, okay? Just paste it over here. Like obviously we have the check prime number function over here, ठीक है? जो सिंपल हमें उसमें हम वैल्यू पास करेंगे, so it will return us true or false that whether that number is a prime number or not. That's it. So I just simply start writing the loop, okay? That will obviously start from just obviously it's going to start from the starting point, okay, and it will go all the way up to the ending point. Both the values are inclusive, okay? And of course, yeah, this is it. And now the thing is, we have to check, okay? We have to check if check prime, okay? If check prime is what, that I, then what? हमें एक कोई ना कोई एक वेरिएबल हमें इनिशियलाइज करना, like obviously be it long and be it prime sum, okay? Initialize it with 0 and just keep on adding that number, okay? So it is basically prime sum, yeah, like just plus equal to 1, okay? Basically plus equal to that the current value of the iteration value, okay? And that's it, guys. We have the prime number sum, okay, with us. So yeah, maybe just simple just see out, okay? Yeah, just print that, okay? Sum of prime numbers within the range is, and the prime sum, like the prime sum variable, okay? And okay, now it's time to test the code, okay? It's range prime it's range prime sum dot cpp, okay? Let's give some invalid range, okay? Validation is properly working, okay? And now from 1 to 10. So yeah, you can see, okay, like you can see in the example here as well, obviously कि 1 से लेकर 10 के बीच में the output should be 17, okay? And yeah, indeed it is. Like you can now play around with this, like something like this, and yeah, something like this. So what okay, so there are no prime numbers within this range. I hope so. Oh, obviously it is only 2 values. I think I need to go with like this. Yeah, you can see this was the solution for today's problem, okay?